Sinbad and the Genie. One day, Sinbad the sailor was by the sea. He sat down by the water. Somebody called to him. There was an old bottle near him. He looked at the bottle. In it there was a very, very little person. It was a genie. Help, help, said the genie. Please let me out. Sinbad opened the bottle. A big grey cloud came out. In the cloud there was a very, very big genie. Thank you, sailor, and now I'm going to eat you. My last meal was 5,000 years ago. I am very hungry. The genie was very big and strong, and he had Sinbad in his hand. Sinbad was small and not very strong, but he was clever. He said to the genie, how can you eat me, a little thing like you? Little? Said the genie in a terrible way. I am very big. How can you be very big? Asked Sinbad. You're in this little bottle. I change, said the genie. You can see that. No, no, said Sinbad. I see only a little bottle. The genie's face was all red. He was very terrible to see. I can change, he said. Look at me. The genie went into his big grey cloud. Then the cloud went away. The genie was little and he was inside the bottle again. Sinbad put the top on the bottle. He put the bottle in the sea and walked away. Goodbye for another 5,000 years, Sinbad said.